Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app, then log in your account. And then once you've done that, you want to click on these three little lines on the lower right corner of your screen. And then click Pages. And once you've clicked Pages, you can see Create button. So you just want to click that and click Get Started. And here you can name your page, then click Next. Then for categories, just click any categories that you want. And here you can add your bio, your contacts, your location, hours, okay? So just go ahead and put any of your information in here. Then click Next. And then here you can now customize your page. Okay? And once you've done that, just go ahead and click Next. And here your phone number. And here you can now turn on if you want any notifications or marketing and promotional emails about your page. And click Done. And there you have it. You already created your Facebook page. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.